Here it is, the new stepper motors with much better wiring than we're used to.
And new connectors, so let's take a deep dive.
We innovate, we elevate, we are automates.
Yeah, so Sverre, it's a whole new series of stepper motors.
Yes, you can say the major difference is we had this Molex connector before, or flying leads. Now we have M12 connectors, known from sensors or sensing equipment. So it's the same connectors as you're used to in other equipment. One connector for power and one connector for encoder.
But Sverre, with a new stepper motor, is there also a new control system for it?
Yeah, you can control it with the stepper drives we have, but we also have this new stepper driver. One of the big differences is the encoder have changed from 24 volt to 5 volt. And this new stepper module supports 5 volts. So we have this dual axis module for X20, like you probably know in the X20 system, where you can control 2 motors or you can control 1 motor and then add a brake resistor on channel 2. So if you want easier assembly and faster commissioning of your stepper motors, choose the new series.